Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairly Fiber Fun. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my shows. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for continuing to watch my shows and sticking with me through all the craziness that is me, you know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you already have, thank you so much for subscribing and showing your support in that manner. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave any comments you wish to leave. So today I am spinning super duper fine. I thought I would show you my Babe Pinkie spinning wheel, which is a child's wheel. It's also a student type wheel, not designed for super fine spinning. So I'm cross threading the flyer a few times. Later, after I filmed this, I started cross threading, I think 2 more times of crossing the single over the flyer because this was still too strong of a take-up. And the take-up is how hard the wheel pulls the yarn onto the bobbin. So even without a break, this wheel is very aggressive. It is bobbin led, and it's very hard to soften the take-up. So, you know, fiddle with it, cross thread like crazy, play with it, and soften up that take-up as much as you can and still have it go on the wheel when you want it to. I pulled off a tiny bit of fiber from a braid, trying to keep all the fibers aligned. This is Targhee Silk and Bamboo Blend, I believe, from a Star is Shorn shop on Etsy. I love her fibers, I love her shop, and this was a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, so I'm doing it the most justice I can with a super fine spin. I have no idea what it's going to become. Anyway, when you're spinning super duper fine, no matter which method you use, you really want to pay attention to your speed, because too fast and you'll lose control very quickly. So I slowed my treadling way down, and I slowed my drafting way down, and I allowed quite a lot of twist to build up in the single before drafting, so that when the drafted fibers took some of that twist, the rest of the yarn was okay. I am doing this from the fold over my finger, kind of off the tip of my finger, but it's a hybrid of methods, I guess. The exact technique you use isn't as critical as getting the yarn you want. So I'm all for doing what works for you, experimenting. And I'm just showing you one of the many ways you can spin super duper fine yarns. Again, it is allowing twist into that draft zone, making sure enough twist has built up in your already created yarn, so that when you release the twist and allow it into your draft zone, your yarn doesn't fall apart. And slow, gentle treadling, gentle drafting, peaceful, calm atmosphere. Sink into the spin and just let your energies flow gently through you while spinning. That's what happens to me while I do this spin. And I find it to be very calming, although I have to be in the right frame of mind or it just doesn't work. So a glass of wine, some gentle music, something to keep you calm and peaceful while you're spinning, and it'll go very smoothly and beautifully. Patience is key, and just finding what works for you. Now, I'm going to show you some other views, other angles of this. I have not sped up or slowed down any of the footage, so you get real live speed. And I've tried to get as good of a close-up as I can on some of these positions. Also, camera positions rather. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to put some music on and just let you guys watch it. I forgot to mention that I am using a lace bobbin for the Babe wheels, and on the Pinkie that is an 11.75 to 1 ratio, which means every treadle turns the bobbin almost 12 times. So I thought I would just throw that out there.